What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. Hey, I know y'all are happy, man. I know y'all are very happy. We're officially 2x up on my Kaspa call for the channel. Now, mind you, I saw this way earlier, like last year. I saw Kaspa and I faded it. I didn't do the research. I didn't study the project. I didn't dive deep into it. None of that, man. And I regret it so much. But as soon as I saw that first big retrace after that huge send that it did, I was like, man, now is my entry, right? So yeah, a month ago, officially 2x on Cas from 1 month ago, guys. That is absolutely insane, guys. That is crazy, man. And I'm telling you guys, the project is a beast and it will continue to crush it. Caspians, if you're here and you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm one of the few people I was talking about Kaspa actually gave you a nice entry way back when, right? And you know, let's blow these videos up, make them go viral. As soon as people open up YouTube, what's the first thing they see? Kaspa, man. Let's spread that awareness through the content creation, guys. Support the content creators, not just a bunch of tweets, right? Obviously supporting tweets is great, but let's get YouTube famous as well, right? So right now, man, jeez, Kaspa is up to 3.1 cent, up 13%. When the rest of the market is not saying much. Look at Cas compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the 1 day is dumping, Cas is pumping. While Bitcoin dumps, Cas pumps, man. Insane project. Like, this is a beast of a project, man. Like, tell me any other project that's been performing like Kaspa throughout these market conditions. Like, point me to one. Point me to one of those projects, man. Now, obviously, other altcoins will have their time to shine, but getting some exposure to Kaspa, man, is a must. It's a must. You know, even if you could just afford a 10K bag, hey, you know, I would be happy with that, right? Honestly, even if you could have just afforded a 10K bag, man. Look at it at 3 cent, 3 cent. $621 million in market cap, $22.1 million in 24-hour trade volume. Like, huh? Like, this is a beast of a project, guys. This is the unicorn for this cycle. Everybody's gonna be talking about Kaspa soon. Karen, I'm bullish on Cas. Name it Kaspa shining, taking over all the layer ones out there. That's facts. JMG, where can I buy? What's the easiest way? KuCoin probably. Tech, can it reach $5 in 2025? Who knows? Who knows what could happen? Tech, Skydiver, Cas, holy crap. Army Shiba, long-term hold, people, and that is a fact. That is a fact. Cas, that I'm bullish on Cas. Master Chief, can we just keep sending it? Yes, the answer is yes. MXV, how high do you think Cas can go? 125. I'm saying $5 per Cas, man. Maybe not. Maybe in the next cycle after this bull cycle, if we ever get another bull cycle, then we could go for 5 to 10 to 25, right? Maybe. But yeah, $1 to $5. Those are my targets, man. 1 to 5. Anywhere in that range for Cas is so freaking bullish, man. Like, I'm so happy right now. I'm super tired because, you know, making videos like this every day it's a lot. So I guess you guys can probably hear it in my voice, but jeez, this is one of the best buys I've ever made in crypto, man. It's one of the best, that I'll just watch it ride out. I'll just watch this project just ride out, man. I'll just be covering it, going straight into the bull cycle, guys. So if you hold Caspians, I'm telling you, blow the video up, make it go viral, man. Get it to 10,000 views. Like, comment, share, subscribe, share it on Twitter, share it with the Caspians on Twitter. Like, yo, check out Blockchain Daily's Kaspa videos, right? Also wanted to bring to you guys why Kaspa could potentially be listed on Coinbase in the future. Now, recently Coinbase did an update to their listing policies called the experimental asset label. Last year I saw a ton of projects with not nearly as much technology, not nearly as much volume, not nearly as much community, not nearly as much good things going for them as Kaspa has. and a ton of them got listed on Coinbase through the experimental asset label, right? So I think that's gonna be next for Kaspa. I really think that's gonna be next. What is the experimental asset label? To be transparent and help customers make informed decisions, we've added an experimental asset label to certain tradable assets that are either new to our platform or have relatively low trading volume compared to our broader crypto marketplace. And I could go for a number of them. There were like 20 projects that got listed on Coinbase, and none of them are saying anything now. Like they don't have no hype, not much going for them, and all of these projects aren't like meme coins or anything. They are legitimate altcoins companies with actual use case and utility. They fail in comparison to Kaspa, man. I'm not gonna mention them because I don't want to crap on other people's projects, but yeah, they fail in comparison to Kaspa. So I think the Coinbase experimental asset listing is gonna be next for Kaspa. The tier ones like Binance and Coinbase won't be able to ignore the trade volume that Kas is generating, man. The noise it's generating. That's gonna be next. From Squash Crypto, Kaspa is now ranked 74, right? Rank 74 on CoinGecko. The rank 74 on CMC is incoming before we know it. Just wait, man. Caesar, you're gonna have to bend the knees to Kas, man. No Binance, no Coinbase, no Kraken, no Gemini, no Robinhood. It's not even on crypto.com yet. Oh man, that's crazy. No Bitfinex, no Premine, no Ponzinomics, no VC dumps, no BS. You are early and on. I'm telling you. Kaspa has reached 3 cents again. Now a nice Sunday pump can move. It's pumping on a Sunday. Normally we don't see pumps on a Sunday, guys. That is not typical because the stock market is closed and the crypto markets are highly correlated to the stock markets. Normally the pumps start on Monday, but I'm telling you guys, Kaspa has been doing its own thing. I remember seeing in a video from top crypto YouTuber, I think his name is Elio Trades, and he was like, look out for projects that show strength against the rest of the market. Kas compared to the Bitcoin chart has been on such a tier. Look at that, man. It doesn't care what the rest of the market is doing. It's doing its own thing and going ballistic, going bonkers, man. So all the Caspians out there, congrats, man. We're gonna keep crushing it. Crypto BN, now you can't stop tweeting me about Kas. Kas is G, okay? If crazy, and this is expected. Honestly, insane. Braver Crypto, welcome back. 3 cent land Kas. Looking forward to surpassing 10 cents soon. That is gonna happen pretty fast, man. That 10 cent mark for Kas, it's on its way. RV Crypto, here we go. Kas over 3 cents again, aiming for a new all-time high. Just a casual Sunday for Kas and the Caspians. Truly just a casual Sunday. The man with the ball, I'm trying to accumulate to get my bag target, but he keeps pumping. I hate it, but I love it at the same time. I can relate, man. Kas in an absolute beast. Imagine Kas in total crypto bull run market. OXE knows. Is it too late to accumulate Kas? That's up to you. I can still see do 100x from here. I agree. I absolutely agree, guys. I absolutely agree with that. Jim Skiba, being a whole Bitcoiner in Kaspa terms is roughly the equivalent of holding 1,366 Kas. Wow. So that's like I said, that's like 10k Kas mark. Makes you a whole coiner of Bitcoin if you only got 1,366 Kas. That's how early we are. 10 years ago, 1 BTC equals 1,366 Kas. Wow. Nice perspective there. Nice stuff. Okay. You know, that should inspire people to get at least some exposure to the project. Moonshot Josh, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Kaspa is going to be sucking up all that liquidity just like how Pepe was when Pepe was on its run. Everybody from different altcoins about to FOMO into Kas, man. You're going to just see this market cap reach 2-3 billion pretty quick, man. Wait and see, man. Issues. In a sea of red, Kas is pumping through it once again. Y'all need to stop sleeping and get a bag. I'm not sleeping, man. I'm not sleeping. I may be tired, but I'm not sleeping. Look at all these Reddit. Look at all these red days for these projects, man. Red days upon red days. What's Kas doing? Kas going ballistic, going bonkers. Let's crush it. Crypto Hananubis, cash probably nothing. We will see a breakthrough very soon. It's going to be huge. We might see a 5-cent cash soon, and I agree. Like I said, 14-cent cash this year. That's my target for this year, guys. That's my target. And to close out the video from Kari, cash kicking some butts. Love to see it, especially knowing I DCA'd a few weeks ago doing some Kaspa FUD. Just the beginning, in my opinion. Do your own research. It's really just the beginning, guys. Caspians, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Blow these videos up, man. Why aren't they viral? Why ain't I seen 30,000 views on these videos, man? You know, it's nothing but content for you guys, and doing my best to spread awareness of the project, man. Caspians, I ain't got much to say, man. Let's just keep making each other profit. Let's just keep getting rich together, man. Let's just keep getting rich together, man. But yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Patreon first, link in the description. Sign up to that to get access to all my calls early. Nowhere else you get those calls, guys. It's only on the Patreon. Really appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.